Welcome everyone, here's how you add big widgets in your iPhone. So the first step is long press on the empty space, tap on the plus, and now you have a bunch of widgets to add. So here is the deal. If you tap on the widget, and you can slide across, this right here, this 4x4 is the largest widget you can add. Once you're good to go, you just tap on add widget. Now here is the deal. You may be like, I want to create my own custom large widgets. How do I do that? So you want to get an app called Widgetsmith. Okay, this is free from the App Store. Open it up. Scroll all the way down until you see large widgets. Tap on add. Just choose whatever you would like in this widget, okay? And once you're good to go, just tap on save. Then you long press plus, and it's very important you watch this part, because when I add this large widget, okay, what if I wanted to switch the widget I created? Because you're going to notice I can create large widget 1, large widget 2. How do I switch between the two? Long press on the widget, edit widget, and then you can change the widget you created, large 1, large 2 right here. Tap on it, and it will change to the new design. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.